Wow, Soph's ill again, what a surprise. I'm starting this video with my glasses on just so I can show you guys my natural form. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can probably tell, I have done nothing to myself today other than give my hair a quick brush, and that is pretty much it. I just thought I would show you the before because this is like a proper before, and I'm going to be transforming myself into something completely different. We have a wig. I am pretty much going to be transforming myself into an Instagram baddies type person. I did a video a few months, maybe weeks ago, I don't really know, where I transformed myself again, and it was a kind of not my style challenge, which my friend Sophie Louise, I think, kind of started, and I thought I would do another one just because I'm a little bit in love with Maggie Lindemann. Is that how you say her name? Every time I see this type of style on Instagram, I'm like, I wish I could pull that off. So I'm gonna see what I would look like because I am just so curious. Okay, let me go wash my face, put my contacts in, and let's get this transformation started. There is literally no point me doing anything to my hair because I'm about to put a wig on. Well, once I've done my makeup, I'll put the wig on. But I've just changed into this t-shirt. Oh god. I changed it to some silver and black jewellery because if I'm just taking Maggie Lindemann for my inspiration, she only really wears silver jewellery. Like, she doesn't wear that much gold. She is honestly goals. Like, if I could look like that and actually make it look decent, I would do it. Like, her style is kind of Instagram baddie slash goth girl. Goth girl in major quotation marks. She's not really goth, but she just wears a lot of black. Okay, so for my primer, I'm using the NYX Hydratouch primer. I just felt like using this today. Okay, step one for this transformation is flawless skin. All of these like Instagram baddies always have the most perfect skin and like the most perfect features, like really cute little noses, big lips, like, I don't know. So I'm going to use this, which is the Loreal Infallable Total Cover Foundation. Does anyone else remember when this first came out and everyone was like losing their minds over it? I do actually use this quite a lot for filming, but I don't wear it out much because it doesn't last that long on me. But it's really, really lightweight, and it's got really good coverage as well. But I don't find that this worked with a beauty blender at all. Like, I have to use a buffing brush. This buffing brush is one of the new Revolution Pro ones. It's the 230 brush. And like, look at the coverage of this. It's actually so nice. And it actually feels like you have barely anything on your face, which is so strange. I just wish it was longer lasting, because if it was longer lasting, I would love this foundation, because it's just, I don't know, it just feels really nice. Then for my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 05. I mean, to be fair, like, these Instagram baddie type people are normally a bit more tanned than me, but I'm just gonna go with my regular skin color. Probably is gonna look crazy with the black hair, but oh my god, someone else that I'm obsessed with as well is Billie Eilish. She is just so cool. I can't get over the fact that she's 16 and she's way cooler than I will ever be in my entire life. Okay, then I'm setting my face with the Nabla translucent powder. I always have to set my under eyes instantly, otherwise they just crease, like, no matter what concealer I use. Oh my god, too much powder. Okay, then for her face makeup, she keeps it pretty simple. There's nothing crazy. She just looks very glowy. She has a tiny bit of subtle blush, and then like a bit of contour, and then her skin is always like pretty glowy, and she has some highlight on there. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna like contour, do a little bit of subtle blush, and then highlight, and then I think I'm gonna use some like glowy setting spray. So I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, which is the lighter one. Oh, it smells so good. And I'm just gonna bronze up my face. Oh god, I put too much on one side already. This looks so bad. And then for blush, I'm using this one, which is another matte blush. This is by Jordana, and it's in the shade Tawny Beige. And I'm just gonna give myself a subtle kind of dusting of blush. Nothing too heavy. Then for highlighter, she seems to have a very champagne-y golden sort of blush, so I'm gonna go for this one, which is the W7 Glowcomotion. I was looking for my Balm Merry Luminizer, but I couldn't find it anywhere, but this one's kind of like a drugstore dupe, so. Ooh, okay, this isn't showing up as much as I thought it would. We need more glow than that. Why is it not working? Maybe it's gone bad because I have had this for a few years. Let's add a bit of MAC DoubleGleam because I know that this will give me a glow. That's more like it. And she has this perfect little snatch nose. Ooh, actually, maybe I should contour my nose a bit. I'm just gonna take my contour powder again. Oh my god. This is why I don't contour my nose. I just can't do it. Okay, so I just added the tiniest bit of nose contour. Okay, this is gonna look crazy, but I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows darker just because I am gonna be wearing a darker wig. This is the Collection Eyebrow Kit in Brunette, and I'm gonna take a mixture of this shade and then also the black as well to do my eyebrows. This is gonna be an experience. Okay, so I'm taking the dark brown. I'm also using a tiny bit of black just through the very ends of them. I'm gonna take some Brunette brow gel from NYX just to brush through them to make them look a bit more realistic. I don't know. Actually, this is kind of light. Right, so before I do my eyes, I'm gonna spray my face with this Nip and Fab Illuminating Fixing Mist. I used this the other day and it actually made my skin look so nice. So just to add in a bit more glow because I feel like the rest of my face is kind of matte. I don't want to get it in my hair. Okay, that was a lot. Okay, I definitely used too much. Okay, so after like 5 minutes of fanning, my cheeks are still a tiny bit damp. But can you see how it just made the rest of my skin look less matte and a tiny bit dewy and just, I don't know, I feel like it makes my skin like a bit more Instagrammable. On her eyes, she normally tends to keep it super simple and then with like a giant winged liner. In a couple of these pictures, she's wearing no eyeshadow and then just the wing. In some of them, she's wearing a kind of natural brown and then the wing. And then in another one, she's wearing a kind of red on her eyes with a wing. I kind of want to go for this because it looks really fit. And it's also just one colour pretty much all over her lid. I'm going to use my Revolution Extra Spice palette and I'm taking the shade 21, which is this bright red here. And I'm just going to put a light dusting of this over my eyelids. This pretty much looks like the same sort of shade that she used. But I don't want to go too heavy because it doesn't look like she's got very much eyeshadow on at all. Actually, mine is more pinky than hers. Hers is a bit more orange. Let's mix in a bit of sweet and sour. Then I'm just taking a matte liquid liner. This one is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. And I'm going to do a giant cat flick because that's what she seems to do in like most of her pictures. Okay, so I've done my wings. I'm now just going to go and put on some lashes because I forgot to bring some over here to my bed. I'll write down below which ones I'm wearing and then I'll be right back. But I'm going to put on some pretty big lashes because that's what she seems to wear a lot. So, as do all of these like Instagram baddies. So I'll be back in a bit. So I definitely could have done with trimming this lash a little bit more. But these are the lashes. I think they look gorgeous. These are the Lily lashes in Faux Mink Delara. They are so pretty. Oh my god. That means James's Morphe palette is going on sale in 4 minutes. I need to get on the Morphe website. Right, then for the lips, in most of these pictures, it kind of just looks like she's wearing lip balm or she's wearing a very nude lipstick. But it's nothing, like, it doesn't look thick. It doesn't look like a liquid lipstick or anything. In a lot of them, it looks like maybe she's just got a bit of lip liner on and some lip balm. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use one of these Little Mix lip liners, I think. I think I'm going to go for this one, which is called Plump Up. And I'm going to overline my lips slightly because, I don't know, that just seems to be the thing to do, doesn't it? Before I put the wig on, I am actually going to draw on some finger tattoos using the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I mean, obviously they're not going to be real tattoos, but yeah, I don't know. I feel like finger tattoos are kind of like a thing that's really like trendy. So I'm going to give it a go. I kind of actually really like finger tattoos. Could I pull them off? No. I kind of actually want some finger tattoos now. They look pretty cool. Ooh, I kind of actually like that. Oh god, I can't do them on the other side. Okay, right, so now it's time for the wig. I ordered this off Amazon. It was literally about £30, I think. It came with some wig caps, which is good. So I'm going to put on one of these things that literally looks like a sock. What is this? And then the actual wig itself was well, it is like a lace front wig. It's not the best quality one, but it's okay. I have trimmed the lace. I have no idea what I'm doing with wigs, but I'm gonna try and put this on my head now, but it's really, really long. It's just a super long black wig, so I'm just putting my hair into a bun, and then, oh my god. Oh. The screenshots from this video are gonna be something else. Now I look bald. Let's put the wig on. Oh dear god. Okay, wait, I need to go and look in the mirror and sort this out. I will be back when it's properly on. Okay, this is just weird. To be fair, I could probably make the wig look a lot better, like if I actually glued down the edges and maybe plucked it a bit more. It might look a bit more realistic, but I mean, it looks better than the wig that I had in the other video. But oh my gosh, it needed a serious brush because this is a lot of hair. Like, it's so long. Wait, if I just kneel up. Like, look how much hair this is. It comes down to, like, my hips. It's just so weird seeing myself with dark hair. Ugh, I got a wig in my mouth. Oh dear, it's coming off. Like, I kind of want to make the wig look more realistic, but I don't really know how. This is just so strange. I think if I did have black hair or dark hair, it would seriously wash me out. But at the same time, it's kind of a look. I'm kind of living for it. Like, I don't know. I kind of like it, but at the same time, I just wish I had better wig skills so that I could actually make it look better, but whatever, this will do. What are you guys thinking? Let me know down below. Just so you can kind of see, like, what the lace front looks like on this wig. I mean, it's okay, but yeah, I need to like stick it down here maybe so that it doesn't look so weird. I don't know, maybe it could do with a bit of plucking, but I don't know how to do that, so I kind of love the makeup though. Okay, right, I'm gonna get a question of the day. If you guys want a shout out in my next video, leave me a comment down below with a question of the day and I might answer it. Celine Soto said, how do you feel about eyelash extensions? Would you ever get them? I have debated this before about whether or not to get eyelash extensions because I think they would save so much time. I think they look amazing and like, I don't know, they make you look really put together and kind of glam all the time, which I kind of like. But then at the same time, I'm just terrified that they would rip out my actual eyelashes because I have heard from some people that have got them that when the lash extensions fall out, they can sometimes fall out, like make your own eyelashes fall out and then they go kind of gappy, and I'm just scared that that would happen to me. And I think because my eyelashes are pretty good naturally, even though they're blonde naturally, like when I put mascara on, my lashes look pretty good, so I think I'm just gonna leave it at that, but I wouldn't rule it out. I kind of do want to try them actually. Okay, so this is it from me. I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super fun for me. I want to get more wigs now because this kind of is pretty cool. I don't know, maybe if I put a hat on I could get away with it, although I think I will give it a bit of a trim because this is just too much hair. If you have any other ideas for transformations and stuff, let me know and I might be able to do those. And yeah, I guess that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I always wanted to do that.